In this video I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and a complete setup of your Canon Lide 300 scanner. So let's start with the unboxing. Here we have the USB cable. This scanner still comes with the CD drive, so you can download the drivers using it. If you don't have it, you can just go online, you can download from there. You can see in the front it has a PDF button, auto scan, copy, send. If we open it, how nice it is, and you have an option for the A4 letter and B5. So let's start the setup process. Now before we start, first we have to go to the scanner. You will see there is a button here, so we have to push it to the unlock position. So that is the unlock. You also get a USB cable, so that has one end going to your laptop and the other goes to your scanner. At the back of the scanner, here is the USB sign, so we just have to insert it here. Once you insert it, now the other end goes here. Connect it with your laptop. In the web browser, type in ij.start.canon. So this one, select it. You can see ij.start.canon. Open this page. It says start setup. We have to type in the model number of our scanner. Start setup. Type in 300 LIDE 300. Select it and click go. It says download. On this page we have to download the drivers. On the right hand corner you will see there is an option and it says Windows as a default. If you are using Mac, you can select Mac. If you have a Chrome operating system, you can select Chrome OS. Click download. Open file. Give permission. Let's start the setup. Click next. Click yes. Agree with the terms and conditions. Now it says a USB cable is connected to the scanner. Please disconnect it. Disconnect it and then click on the next button. Next is the scanner connection. Now connect your scanner again and go to the screen, and you should be able to see the setup is complete. Click next and exit. You can close all these windows. Go to the start button, select all apps, go for the Canon, that is the Canon utilities. Select IJ scan utility. So this is a very small window. If you just zoom it in, you can see the Lide 300 scanner is here. If you don't see it, you can just scroll and look for it. Let's do a scanning. Open the scanner lid. Here is a test page I'm going to scan, so I'm going to place it downwards like this on this corner. So this is a letter size paper. Close the lid. On the screen we have to select. If you are using a document, you can select the document PDF. If you want to do the multiple scannings, once your scan is complete, you go to your scanner, open the lid and place the next page facing downwards, and on the main screen click scan. So this is the second page. So you can continuously add the pages until you finish all the pages for the scanning. Click on the exit button. Once you click on the exit, you will see your scan. Click on the file, click on save as, select the image name, select the location and then click on the save button. Now close this window and you should be able to see the scan. So that is the scan here. If I double click, you can see both pages are available here. So this way we can do the complete setup of our Canon Lide 300 scanner with the Windows laptop. Thanks for watching.